if 1 is the only one common factor for numerator and denominator, only 1 is there, then we don't want to divide both numerator and denominator, because that will be the simplest form. That fraction is in the simplest form itself. Okay. Next, group 2, multiply and reduce to lowest form. So, we have to find the product of these two fractions. After then, we have to reduce that in the lowest form. Okay. If possible. That means sometimes we will get the simplest form as the product itself. So, at that time we don't want to convert. Okay. So, 2 upon 3 multiplied by, this is in the form of mixed number. So, what can we do? We have to convert this into improper fraction. So, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2, the whole divided by 3. Okay. Then, 2 on 3 times 2 times 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 on 3. Clear? So, here 2 times 8, 3 times 3. 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9. 1 is the common factor for this one. So, we don't want to change this into simplest form. But, think that, is it in the simplest form? Here, numerator is greater than the denominator. So, this is in the form of improper fraction. So, what can we do? We can convert this into the form of mixed number. So, 16 divided by 9. 16 divided by 9. So, 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. So, 1 9 is there in 16. So, then subtract. Take away 9 from 16. 7 is the answer. So, how can we write this one in the mixed form? First, we have to think about a whole number. Whole number will be the quotient. Okay, this is the quotient. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. And this will be the remainder. Okay. Then, one line will be there to separate numerator and denominator. Numerator will be the remainder. Okay. Here 9, here 9, here also 9. That means denominator will be always denominator itself. Okay. Here we can do one thing. That is 2 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 9. One thing. Here in this numerator 7 is there. Also in the denominator 1 7 is there. We can cut this 7 and this 7. So 7's table both 7 is there. So 1 7 is 7. Here also 1 7. Actually we are dividing this 7 and this 7 by 7. That means 2 times 7. This 7. 7 divided by 7. Okay. Then here this 7 also we can divide by 7 times 9. What is the answer? 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Here also 1 will be there. So this is the cutting method. Okay. So next 2 times 1. This one finished. Okay. This 7 we took away. This also we cut that. Then 2 times 1 2. Then 1 times 9 9. So 2 on 9 is the answer. Okay. Then the next question is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 6 upon 4. So 3 times 6. The whole divided by 8 times 4. How can we cut? Here there is no same number. But we know that in 2's table 6 is there. Also 4 is there. Also 8 is there. So how can we cut? We can cut 6 or 8. 6 and 8. Or 6 and 4. Which one you needed? You cut there. Now I am going to cut 6 and 8. Both the numbers we can divide by 2. you can select this 8 or 4. Which one you like, you can take that number. Because these all numbers are there in 2's table. Now I have taken the 6 and 8. Then 6 divided by 2. 3 is the answer. Okay. This gone. Finished. Then 8 divided by 2. 4. 4 is the answer. So here 3 times 3 and 4 times 4. 3 times 3 and 4 times 4. Here 3 and 3 is here in the numerator. Can we cut these two? No. Why? Because we cannot cut numerator and numerator. One numerator, if we are ready to cut one numerator, at the time by the same number, we have to cut denominator also. Here 4 and 4 is there. Can we cut? No, because 4 and 4 is there in the denominator. Not 1 is not 1 in the numerator. 1 should be there in the denominator. But in this case, the same numbers are there in the numerators. Then in case of 4, denominator itself. So we cannot cut these numbers. Okay. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 9 on 16. Okay. Then this is in the simplest form. In case of 9 and 16, we cannot divide both numbers by a same number. Okay. We can divide this by 1. But we will get the same answer itself. So there is no use by dividing with 1. And this is not in the form of improper fraction. Here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is not possible to convert in the form of mixed number. Okay. Next question is fourth question. 9 on 5 multiplied by 3 on 5. So 9 times 3 and 5 times 5. Then there is no common factor to divide or to cut. Okay. So 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We cannot cut. Then 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So it is not possible. So 9 3s are 27. Then 5 5s are 25. Here it is in the form of improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can divide 27 by 25. 27 divided by 25. 125 is equal to 25. Then subtraction, we will get 2 as the remainder. So this quotient will be the whole number. Then remainder will be there and denominator will be the denominator itself. Okay. So the answer is 1 2 on 25 is in the simplest form. Now 1 times 15 and 3 times 8. So 1 and 8 we can cut, but we will get same answer itself. Then 1 and 3 also same condition. We can divide both numbers by 1 itself. But is there any other number here? 15. 15 and 8. 15 and 8. No, there is no common factor other than 1. So we cannot cut. Then 15 and 3. Yes, we can cut both numbers by 3. That is 3 divided by 3. We can divide this 3 by 3 itself. Then 15 we can divide by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So the remaining numbers are 1 times 5, 1 times 5, and in the denominator that is 1 times 8. So 1 5 is equal to 5, 1 8 is equal to 8. So the answer is 5 on 8. 5 on 8 is an proper fraction. So this is in the simplest form. There is no other common factor rather than 1. Next one, 11 times 3 and 2 times 10. There is no common factor for dividing. So we can multiply numerators. 11 times 3, 33. 2 times 10, 20. So improper fraction. So 33 divided by 20, that is equal to 120. Okay. Then 13 is the remainder. So 113 on 20 is in the simplest form. Clear? 4 on 5 multiplied by 12 on 7. So 4 times 12 and 5 times 7. 4 12s are 48. Then 5 sevens are 35. So denominator is smaller than the numerator. So 48 divided by 35. 135. Okay. Then 3 will be the 13. So we can write this one. 113 on 35 is in the simplest form. Okay. Next, third group. 2 on 5 multiplied by 5 1 on 4. This is in the form of mixed number. So as usual, our first step is we have to convert this into the improper fraction. That is whole number times denominator plus numerator, the whole divided by denominator itself. So 2 times 5 multiplied by 5 times 4 20. 20 plus 1 21 on 4. Next we can do as in the group 2. That is we can cut this 2 and 4. Maybe you will get first 2 times 21, then 5 times 4. We can cut this 2 and 4 by 2 itself. 1 times 2, 2 itself. 2 2s are 4. Then 21 and 5. We can't cut. Then 21 and 2. That also we cannot cut. So 21 divided by 5 times 2. That is 10. 1 times 21, 21 itself. So how can we write this one in the form of mixed number? That is 21 divided by 10. 2 tens are 20. So remaining 1. So 2 whole number and 1 numerator, 10 is the denominator. Okay. Next question.